This is our answer to the fiends of Nippon. Guns and more guns to blast them from the earth. Tanks and more tanks to crush their ungodly lust for domination over the decent nations of the earth. The cost will be high for ships and planes and all that goes to make victory possible. The toll will be high in lives as well. But no matter what the price, no matter what the sacrifice, for every one of us, the menace of the rising sun and of the Nazi monster must be ended for all time. In this critical hour of our nation's destiny, the spirit of Washington bids us pray and work and fight for freedom. With General MacArthur in command, leading the combined forces of freedom, our victory drive in the South Pacific must not stop until Japan itself is overrun and conquered. The way to victory is plain. So wake up, America. We must win or die.